3 ways to write an ebook. In this video, I will tell you about 3 ways to write an ebook which I learned from 3 different internet entrepreneurs. I advise you to watch this video to the end. Maybe one of these methods will appeal to you and help you write your first or next ebook. By the way, my name is Dmytro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good. So I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. Method number 1. I learned this method of creating an ebook from the paid video course of Azamat Ushanov, Info Business in 60 days. Azamat says that if you are new to online business and no one knows you yet, it is most profitable to create an ebook at the start, because the book is clear in any niche. And the person who wrote the book is considered a greater expert than the person who offers something else: podcasts, checklists, intelligence maps, video courses. Before creating a book, Azamat recommends asking yourself the following questions. What does your prospect need? What does he want? What is his desired end result? And based on the answers to these questions, come up with the title of the book and create the book itself. Next, you need to create a book skeleton, a plan, and using this plan to create your own little masterpiece. So, take a blank piece of paper and write an outline for your book, which should reflect the following important points. First, why is it important to read your book? Why is this topic important? Topic of the book. Second, your story. Tell people your story. How did you start and what was your path? How did you learn what you write about in your book? Third, practical features and recommendations. Next, share practical features and useful recommendations. These features should give a person a certain result, help solve a problem. Fourth, the final part of the book. Write the main takeaways from your book here. In order to simplify the process of creating a book, Azamat recommends recording your monologue on a voice recorder on a phone or on some recording device, and then make a book out of this audio recording. You don't even have to write the book yourself. You can give your audio recording to specialists or freelancers and they will turn it into a book. So grab your plan and your phone or other recording device, turn on recording, and following the plan, tell the material in your own words without perfectionism, speaks as you wish with passion. Next, transcribe the received audio file into a book, or give your recording to other people, freelancers, to turn it into a book. Edit the received material and beautifully design it into a book. Make a cover and your book is ready. Method number 2. I learned this information on the closed website of entrepreneur Dmytro. I paid for access to it and learned a lot of useful things, including another way to write a good book. Dmytro says that the main secret of creating popular info products is to give people what they really want. And for this you need to identify and write down in a notebook at least 10 main problems and mistakes that your target audience faces, and find at least 10 basic ways to solve these problems and avoid mistakes. This information will make up the main part of your book. Next, we write the plan of our future book, and let's move on to its creation. First, write the introduction and the conclusion of the book, then move on to writing the body of the book. First, briefly describe each problem and error of your target audience, and then describe in great detail each way to solve these problems and avoid mistakes. Thus, your book will consist of an introductory part, 10 most popular problems with their description, detailed solutions to these problems, and a final part. You can also add your story to the book. The last step is to design your book beautifully and make a cover for it. Method number 3. I learned about this method at a paid intensive conducted by Dmytro. To simplify the task of creating a book, Dmytro recommends creating an intelligence map in advance. To do this, take a sheet of paper and draw a circle in the center of this sheet. In the center of this circle we write the big desired result of your client or reader. Next, you need to break down your customer's or reader's journey into 10 steps or stages. For this we draw 10 more cycles around the central cycle, and inside each of them we write the name of the stage that the client or reader must go through in order to achieve the desired final result. In addition, 3 more small circles should be drawn around each stage. In the first circle, write why a person needs to go through this stage, in the second, what exactly needs to be done at this stage, and in the third, how it should be done. Next, we take this intelligence map and create our book based on it. We simply describe each stage in detail and give detailed answers to all questions of each stage: why, what, how. At the end, we design the book nicely and make a cover for it. The main principle of creating a book: just take and do. I hope this information was useful for you and help you write your first or next ebook. By the way, in the description of this video I will leave a link to my own ebook, Rate It. If you have any questions on the topic, write them in the comments to this video, and I will try to answer them. I wish you a good day and great mood. Bye bye.